In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a photo on your iPhone. So very easily, let's go to Photos, and I'm going to pick this photo here. What you want to do is go to the Edit option at the very bottom next to your trash can icon in the center there. And what you want to do is go ahead and hit the Crop option at the very bottom. And so here you're going to have a lot of options. So if you look at the top left-hand corner, what you can simply do is just go ahead and hit that Rotate button, and it's going to rotate about 90 degrees every single time. What you can do is go ahead and hit the option right next to it, and it's basically going to flip the picture, but keeping the same orientation. What we can do from that point is go ahead and look at the options at the very bottom of your screen here. What we can do is go ahead and choose vertical and then go back and forth. This basically changes the perspective of your picture. So you can always kind of change how it looks on the camera, and then you can just set this back to 0 if you don't want to change something. You can actually look at the border of the picture and just go ahead and simply just crop and then move around the photo if you want it to look at something more specific, or maybe cancel something out. So that is also an option. So there's a lot of things that you can do with the photo itself. But to go ahead and just rotate simply, just go ahead and hit that option at the top left-hand corner, and you'll be able to rotate that photo accordingly. After you're done, you want to go ahead and hit the Done option at the top right-hand corner, and then that way it's going to save in that same rotated orientation. No matter what the settings you did, it will just keep that. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to rotate a photo on